Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are trying some Maui moisture for the first time on this channel. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so we're gonna get right into it. My hair is already washed, detangled. I have my clips right here. I don't have my spray bottle because my hair is pretty wet. So for today's product, we are using Maui moisture. Now I don't know if I've done Maui moisture on my channel before, but I don't think so. I've tried their mask before, so maybe I'll do a mask Monday on that. But today we're using the Maui moisture hair styling flexible hold plus coconut milk curl foam mousse for dry curly hair. It says it softens, defines, and volumizes. So, and that's everything that I like. So we're gonna see. I love a good foam. We're gonna use it by itself. I'm gonna just read the directions real quick. Dispense into palm, apply to damp hair. Work your hair thoroughly from root to end. Scrunch, let hair dry naturally, or style as desired. So I love when they talk our language, how it talks about like scrunching and stuff like that. It really lets you know that the brand understands, or at least has some sort of understanding of what we curly girls have to do. So I'm going to part my, ooh, I thought I was detangled. I'm gonna part my hair. Oh. So I already have one clip on. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna take my hair in sections. This is a good enough section for me right here. Now let's see. The applicator is interesting how it it's kind of rounded like that. Okay, it's definitely a mousse, but it has substance. Can you see? It's not moving. It's not really watery. Foams like this. Oh, that smells good. This smells amazing. If you don't like coconut, you're not gonna like it. I'm not a coconut-y girl, but this smells really good. Oh, I'm gonna use a lot. That's enough. What was I saying? Oh, products like this tend to be watery in consistency. I'm gonna have to scrunch that out. Yeah, we went in a little heavy-handed. Products like this tend to be watery in consistency, but this is literally, it says foam mousse. I think that's exactly what it is. It has that mousse. It's like a mousse because it's obviously like the consistency's on the foam side, but it's like it still has that structure. It keeps its shape. It's not watery. So I really like it, and it smells pretty good. It's a very light smell, which I do like. So yeah, I haven't really dived into Maui moisture like that. So let's see. They are clumping and they are looking defined. I'm excited for this. I'm having really high hopes. So let's pray that these results are good. So I'm going to continue this process, and I will see you guys when it's done. Alrighty, and these are my final results. Now, I have some pros, I have some cons, things I like, things I'm not sure about. I have a headband on, yes, because I couldn't figure out my part. Now, that's not the product's fault. Does the middle part look terrible? Is this the middle? But then it's really giving forehead. This wash and go for me is like kind of awkward. Do I need a haircut or something? I don't know. I need to stop touching it. I might be just maybe a little dramatic. I just hate that little. But then this is like a true middle. Do I feel a little bit comfortable? I just put my headband back on because maybe I don't know what to do. The part is not coming and it's just making my hair frizzy. So for the Maui moisture foam, I just did forget to tell you guys this retails for $6.97. I know you can find it at Walmart, but I would check Walgreens as well, and of course my moisture website. I got mine at Walmart for $6.97. It pretty much ranges from $6 to $7 wherever you go. And for that price, you get 8.5 fluid ounces, which is a good amount, pretty regular. and it's affordable, very affordable. Do I recommend it? I think it's just not giving what I wanted to give, you know? Like, it's okay. I don't hate it, but I don't love it, and that's the best way I can explain it. Hey guys, this is AlwaysAmayaa. I know I look crazy, but I wanted to update you guys. So that was yesterday, and it is today when I'm editing this, and this is my hair straight out the bonnet. It got worse as time went on, so I don't recommend this foam at all, and I really don't like it. I'll probably just use it maybe as a refresher or maybe to slick back some edges or something, but like my hair's never looked like this out of the bonnet. Like, I did my regular routine at night, and this is how it looks. So, yeah, no, don't get it. Don't, no. I get lots and lots of volume. I get lots of volume and even definition. I have a lot of shrinkage, which is great. Shrinkage equals healthy hair. So, that's amazing. But it's really dry. Like, can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? It's really, really dry. This won't last. Yeah, I'll probably have to redo my hair in a couple of days. Maybe even tomorrow. Like, it's a pressing issue. So overall, like out of 1 to 10, I give it 5. And I think that's a pretty solid number. I think it's a pretty fair number. I just have a lot of mousse that I've tried, or mousse, whatever you want to call it, that I prefer over this one. I think maybe with something under it, like a leave-in conditioner, I think that's when it will perform at its best. I find it to be drying, and that's my biggest problem with it. I think a leave-in conditioner would solve all my problems. But because I didn't try it with leave-in conditioner, I'm just going based off my results. It's okay. It's literally, it's okay. I'm not like jumping out the window or anything at this wash and go. But I don't think it's okay. But I do have plenty of products that I do thoroughly enjoy on my channel, so make sure you guys go check that out. But I really appreciate you guys for watching today's video. I will see you guys next time. Stay safe, keep deep conditioning, and I'll see you guys next time. Toodles.